This is one of my favorite things in the world, and I know I've talked to you about it.
My sister actually gave my husband and I one of these a few years ago. They're amazing what they can do.
I get an air fryer, and I make French fries, and I am not kidding you. They're the best things in the entire world.
They're pretty good.
They're pretty good, right?
They really are.
So, and it's super easy. It's like I get fingerling potatoes, I boil them for about 10, 12 minutes.
Parboil them, right?
Yep.
Get them going.
And then you gotta cool them off. You cut them in halves. I like to make them, like these are really pretty. I kind of like to make them a little more rustic. I like to make them like more Rachel, like Rachael Ray is like kind of put her touch on it. But it's like great, you throw some olive oil in, salt and pepper.
Right. And I'll dress this batch.
Yeah.
You got some working in there, no?
Yeah, it's super easy. And then you stick them in this air fryer. So it's really interesting. Let me see if I can do this from this way. So we're going to just like kind of toss those in.
It literally has a basket just like a countertop fryer.
And it's really hot, so be careful. So you just kind of throw those into your air fryer, stick them in for about 15 minutes, and then I pull them out, and then I shake them. Shake them a little bit. Ta-da. And that's when...
There's some hot boys.
Yeah, and so they're all done from here. Just
drop them.
Like just toss them in there.
Yeah.
Yeah.